looks like slime, but what's in this bucket is stronger than steel. Jesse, you went inside the lab where this was made. This is fascinating. What is this?
Yeah, so it's made from plants developed right here in Central Florida and could soon be used to strengthen everything from our shoes to our homes.
There's quite a bit of science happening inside this warehouse in Lake Nona. Mixing, pulling, and unwrapping to reveal
right under here, we have our carbon fiber.
An unassuming sheet of material covered in something the team at Soarce hopes changes the way things are made.
Cellulose is the most abundant polymer on the planet. It's actually found in the majority of biomass, trees, grasses, things like that.
Co-founders Derek Stoltzman and Mason Mincy learned about cellulose from books on material sciences in a library. Soon enough, they consulted the modern library of YouTube. They connected with a researcher turned mentor in Finland and applied their engineering backgrounds to study what they say is like the rebar inside of a plant, which can be 8 times stronger than steel.
And what we're doing is we have a process that allows us to take that, extract it out, and utilize it in a variety of new products.
Products like this one that look like a jelly. That entire process takes something as natural as this ground up miscanthus that looks like sawdust and turns it into the cellulose that they use. They call that jelly Seaweed because it can come from seaweed, and it can make concrete 30% stronger, able to flex instead of crack under pressure or our strong hurricanes. They also turn that seaweed or grass into coatings for carbon fiber or metals like the ones in your phone or car or boat, and the shoes and clothes in your closet, all to make them lighter, stronger, and more eco-friendly.
There actually are viable solutions to take natural resources and use them in true performant applications.
And their industry is recognizing their mission to cut toxic chemicals in things we use every day. Forbes featured Derek Mason and the team in 2026's 30 Under 30, and Lake Nona's Tavistock Group has been a longtime partner since their days in the incubator program.
There definitely is something about Orlando and maybe Lake Nona specifically that shows, a difference in how they're building today versus how they were building many, many years ago.
Not just today, but tomorrow.
And liftoff.
The Source team is eyeing the Artemis missions and beyond to see how humans could build in space.
NASA's looking at a lot of applications where we're going back to the moon. Can we combine, let's say, moon dust with some sort of nanomaterial and build structures out of it? 3D print these structures on the actual surface of the moon, which is a pretty nutty idea that we're looking at.
While they draw inspiration from Earth.
At the end of the day, Mother Nature's been the best engineer.